Hey everybody, Jedi Unlimited 1 here again with another video on GTA. The last one, it was me showing you guys that hidden police car. Well, now if I'm right, there's two other ones I'm gonna show you. The location is right here, I think, but I might be wrong. If I am wrong, I'm very sorry. It'll take me just 2 more seconds to figure out where it really is. It might be up here somewhere. So bear with me. Actually, I was right. It's right here. The police bike, which is not a fake, by the way. It is real. That's what it looks like. The siren is no different. So that's that. Then over here, I'm not sure how many people know this, but this is a different one too. This is much faster than the police bike, and faster than any other that police car, and there's fatter ones that look similar to this, but they're not the same. This is more like an FBI Buffalo almost, only it has lights, and it's white. Just for speed, I'm gonna go from here to the, I think there's a bridge over there, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll drive down to that bridge. By the way, on the map, it's right here. You can see that better. It's right over here by this building. Speed testing. Very quick, very fast. The turning is really good.
I don't believe this shit.
And for the motorcycle, I'm going to show you how slow it is once I get there. I think I passed it up. Oh, I went so fast, it didn't even spawn the vehicles. Here's how slow the bike goes. Trust me, it's not that fast. Okay. Now, one quick thing I'm also going to show you guys. If it didn't stop on me. Okay. I'm not sure how much more time I got, so I'm going to do this real quickly. Okay. Enjoy the music because this will take a while. Now remember, in the campaign, there was that boat mission on Xbox Live. It's still there. And yes, you can free roam around on it. Whee! And there's even a helicopter. So, thank you for watching my video, guys, and I'll probably do another review soon. So, see you then.